Hello, beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I just get thank you enough. So, my Kabbalistic people, today we have another one again. No, Biafra National League leader. Oh my goodness, he has strong message for Asari Dokubo. Everyone must listen.
When I don't look my face, so I applied medicated cream. Yeah, first of all, I don't need to be introducing myself every day. I just came here to correct some certain things. I believe that some of the journalists are watching. Please share this widely. Help me share this widely. Let it go viral. It needs to go viral. To get to those reporters addressing me as Biafra militant leader. I never told them that I'm leading a militant group. They have not seen me with gun. They have not seen me with militants. That should be corrected. I have written to some of them that I shouldn't be addressed as such next time, or I will sue their office. And I will do that, definitely. I should be addressed. If I'm being a leader, address me properly. Not Biafra militant leader. I did not tell you I'm militant. I'm a militant leader. Neither did the militants that are operating in the area that is also our headquarters. Neither did they tell you that they are my militants. They never said so. They only identifying with us, and they said that they are part of the struggle, Biafra. They did not say DNL. Didn't. So I should be addressed properly next time. I've made it clear now, openly. Everybody has seen it. Everybody has heard. They should also, if you are working for Vanguard, pass this to the nation. Pass this to your colleagues. If you are for daily posts, pass it to them. So that is the correction I want to make. In case of next time, I will go to court. Then, since 2 days now, you can see that Asari Dokubo has been trending. Or since 4 days, he has been trending, and we have lambasted him, and I have also reacted. What really, otherwise, we know Asari as somebody that talks anything that just enters his head. He begin to talk. We wouldn't have responded to him, but being that he went to Aso Villa, instead of to mind his business, he said that Tinubu should not release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That his release will cause trouble, more trouble. Look at I began to wonder, a senseless human being. A senseless, no matter what your brother did to you, and he's in that condition, in prison, no matter anything. If you criticize, you can criticize him, do everything, but don't say they should keep him there, let him be there, and let him die there. That's wickedness. When Asari was in prison, Masop fought for his release. Asari, I'm even surprised how he joined Biafra struggle. I know Asari before. When I lived in Abuja, I used to hear him, Asari Dokubo. Every time he's warning Biafra, he will be warning Biafra agitators that how his father died during Biafra war, how they call him Ediabel, whatever. It was Wazirike that convinced him and brought him into the struggle and took him to Jubu. Since then, he became a Biafran. Anytime you ask him, fellow Biafrans, as he went to see Tinubu Aso Villa, did he address himself as fellow Biafran, as a Biafran? Did he address himself as a Biafran? Instead, he went there to volunteer how he will stop the agitation and crude oil theft. That he is also involved. That he is also involved. Sani M. Umar. So I said, shut up my mouth. I look too hungry. Come, I will feed you. Feed your family. For years. I will feed you and feed your family. Were you not the one coming to my inbox to say I should align with Asari Dokubo? He is this, he is that. Because I did not listen to you. I now look hungry. Send your account number to me. I'll wire you 100,000. Idiots. So, that was what really made me to react. I didn't even went there, say what he wanted to, without mentioning that his own brother should be kept there. I don't blame him. He has seen his Muslim brothers. He's happy. They have succeeded in their mission of Islamizing Nigeria, but that will not be in our own territory because it will be disastrous. It's very clear that the Igbo'S are not part of Nigeria. Buhari came in. He did not include Igbo'S in the government apart from Emefiele, CBN. What does CBN? CBN did they have any power? Irabo, Chief of Defense Staff does not have a say in the military. It is Chief of Army Staff. So, and he didn't pick from the center of Igbo land. You know. Now, this old man is here. He has packed his Yoruba people, Fiam, and some Fulani around himself, excluding the Igbo. Do they think excluding the Igbo just to make the Igbo's politically relevant? It doesn't affect the Igbo's. Igbo's are businessmen, respected all over the world. All over the world. Igbo's are holding political, economic positions all over the world. And when it comes to business, after China, you get the Igbo'S. So these things are envy and jealous. Envy. And you think, excluding Igbo'S in your government, you just come and we'll just buy for you. We are slave. We are slave to you people. They will see what will happen. So that was a reason for responding to Asari, not because he's talking bra 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 bra. Ordinarily, we wouldn't have attacked him. He did not mind his business. He would have gone there to mind his business. His wickedness. He said they should hold you out, they should continue to detain him, let him be there. And you are happy. You are happy. You went there to scuttle Tompolo's, for them to terminate Tompolo's contract and give it to you. Jealousy. I don't call it jealousy. These things are is witchcraft. It's witchcraft. And I bet him if they terminate, if Tinubu want to test the strength of Asari and Tompolo, he should terminate Tompolo's contract. He should terminate Tompolo's contract. He's following somebody that has just a mouth, wide mouth. He made Tinubu president. Without him, nothing will move. He felt without him to even a struggle will not. Which people made Tinubu president? Who are your followers? Kalabari people. Kalabari. Outside Kalabari, do you have influence in any local government in River State? Outside Kalabari. Outside Kalabari. Who know you in Ikore land? Who know you in Obibo? Who know you in Ahoda? Who know you in Eche? Opopo, Bonny? Who know? It's only Kalabari. So Kalabari people made Tinubu president. And they are the people that decide in Nigeria. Look at him. He was already in charge of a special task force. Though he claims it's Abuja and Kaduna, that his own men. All the while, he has been working with Buhari. Yet he will come out and be claiming he is not looking for contracts from federal government. He has never collected contract. And all those money they are paying him is entering his tummy. That's why his tummy is like this. So I think I have cleared the air. I have cleared the air. That is it. This one is I don't know whether his messenger coming to beg me. Stupid Almajiri. Look at his name. Sani M. Umar. He's one of his agents. He was begging me since yesterday. How can you unite with Asari? That because it's you are all Muslims. So you want everybody to bow under you. Fools. Please share this video widely if you are not watching live. Once you come and meet the video, just share to all the forums below. Thank you very much.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.